Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel from Delos and welcome to the Docs application. Docs is a cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize the way you interact with your documents. With Docs, you can communicate with your files in natural language, just as if you were consulting with a domain expert. This intuitive approach helps you save valuable time by quickly surfacing the most relevant information, answering complex questions, and providing clear explanations directly from your documents. Whether you need to analyze reports, extract key figures, or generate summaries, Docs empowers you to work more efficiently and make informed decisions faster. Today, we will explore in detail how to harness the full potential of this application, guiding you through its main features and best practices for maximizing productivity. From the home screen, you will find all public documents recently used and added by members of your organization, the ability to upload your own documents with one click, and a personal safe where you can find all your private files. To import a file, simply click on Import a file. You can then select a document from your computer or your drive. Here we will import two financial reports. The documents are stored in your vault on secure French servers, ensuring confidentiality and compliance. Next, to ensure proper organization and management of your documents, you can create collections, folders to organize your files and group them together, which will also allow you to query multiple documents at once, up to 25. To do this, click on New Collection, name your folder, and then select the documents to include. You can also add documents from the Scribe app or connect your tools, Drive, Sharepoint to make importing easier. We will now see how to query your documents in natural language, and to do this it's very simple. Click on Chat with the file to ask your questions in natural language. To query multiple documents at once, click on the collection and then on the Chat with the collection. A simple interface opens, displaying your files on the right and the chat area for entering your queries at the bottom left. We will ask, for example, what was the revenue for the last 2 fiscal years? Docs reads, analyzes, and extracts information directly. The answers are sourced with clickable blue dots that link to the exact location in your document. Docs also allows generating charts from the data, summaries, comparative tables. For example, I would ask it to create a comparative table of key figures for me. Several modes exist on this interface. Chat mode for a simple and direct exchange with your documents, which is the one we just used, but also the deep search mode for conducting complex searches, comparing figures, or obtaining detailed analysis. This uses more credits. You also have an edit mode to annotate, comment, or sign documents directly from the interface. Above your documents, there are also other advanced features, the ability to zoom in on the document, downloading your documents with modifications, and the selection of specific passages to query. That's it for this Docs application, which will help you find information quickly and summarize your documents efficiently using AI. If you have any questions, feel free to check the Help Center or ask them in support.